ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತದ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪದದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಯೋದು ಏ ಮದ್ರಾಸಿ ಹೇ ಅಂತ. That it's not Kannada, it's Kannada. And especially Karnataka to promote
that doesn't
the
make a
films.
difference to me. Yeah.
Of course it has to make a difference, sir.
Sir, you might feel bad about it. Fact doesn't change.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಂದ್ರಜಿತ್ ಅವರೇ, ಗೊತ್ತು, ಕನ್ನಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತು.
ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಇಂದ್ರಜಿತ್ ಲಂಕೇಶ್ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ನೇರ ಸಂಪರ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್. ಈ
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ
ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗ
ಅಜಿತ್ ಅವರೇ.
ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ, ಭಾಷೆಯ ಭೇದ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಹೇಳೋವಂಥದ್ದಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಜಯ್ ದೇವ್ಗನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಟ್ವೀಟು ಇರುವ ಹುಳುಕುಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಡ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. ಸುಪ್ರೀಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ?
ಅಜಿತ್ ಅವರೇ, ನಿಮಗ ಅಜಯ್ ದೇವಗನ್ ಅವರ ಇಗ್ನೋರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳೆಯ, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಸುದೀಪ್ ಅವರು ಟ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಬೈಟ್,
ಓಕೆ,
ಇವತ್ತು ಹಿಂದಿ ಒಂದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಭಾಷೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಷೆಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಜಯ್ ದೇವಗನ್ ಅವರ ಟ್ವೀಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಹಿಂದಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಎದ್ದು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ನೋಡಿ, KGF 1 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, KGF 2 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪುಷ್ಪ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ 1 and 2 ಮತ್ತು RRR ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳ ಹಿಟ್ ನಂತರ ಒಂದು ಹಿಂದಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಡಬ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಲ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಗೆಲ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತದ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಯಾವ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ. ಇದು ಅವರು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಹಿಂದಿ ಒಂದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಭಾಷೆ ಅಂತ ಟ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಟ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸಂವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಭಾಷೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು ಭಾರತದ 22 ಭಾಷೆಯರು ಭಾರತದ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಭಾಷೆ. ಅವರವರ ಭಾಷೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಜಿತ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಭಾಷೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದು ಹೋರಾಟ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಪೆರಿಯಾರ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಗೋಕಾಕ್ ಚಳುವಳಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೈಡ್ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಒಂದು ಹೋರಾಟ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ, ನಮ್ಮ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜು ಮತ್ತು P. ಲಂಕೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು, ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನಟರು, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೀದಿಗಿಳಿದು ಅವತ್ತು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಪೆರಿಯಾರ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಎಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರನೂ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಿಂದಿಯನ್ನ ಒಂದು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೇರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ
ನಿಮಗೂ ಬಾಂಬೆಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಾಲಿವುಡ್ಗೂ ನಿಮಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಬಂದವರು ಅನ್ನೋರಿಗೆ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಹೋದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತ, ಈಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮುಂಚಿಂದಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತದ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪದದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಯೋದು ಏ ಮದ್ರಾಸಿ ಹೇ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರು ಮುಂಚೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಂಧ್ರ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಇದೆ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಒಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಇದೆ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಹಲವಾರು ನಟರು ನೀವು ಗಮನಿಸಿದಿರ ಅಜಿತ್ ಅವರೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಚಾರಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪದಾನೂ ಕಲಿಯಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ನೋವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಂತ ಹಲವಾರು ಬಾರಿ ನಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ನಡ, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏ ಮದ್ರಾಸಿ ಹೇ, ಏ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತ ಹೇ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಿಜುಡಿಸ್ ಇರೋದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿಗೆ, ಅವರ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿಗೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರ ಉಳಿವಿಗೆ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಭಾರತದ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ 70ರ ದಶಕದ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿತ್ತು. ಇಡೀ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್, ಇಡೀ ರಾಜ್ ಕಪೂರ್, ಬಾಲ್ಚಂದರ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾವನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರಮಂದಿರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಇವತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು KGF ಮೂಲಕ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಲವಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯ ನಟರು ಸುದೀಪ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ದರ್ಶನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದೇ ಪುನೀತ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯ. ಅವ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಅವ್ರ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ್ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ, ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಅಜಿತ್ ಅವರೇ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಕಾಣಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಡೀ ಇಂಡಿಯಾನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್, ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರು. ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವರು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಟ್ಟು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಭಾರತದವರು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕಂಡಿದೆ ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾಗಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋರು ಇನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮದ ವಿಷಯ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಅದು ಭಾಷೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ದ್ರಾವಿಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತದವರು ಅವರ ಭಾಷೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಅಜಿಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹಿಂದಿ ಭಾಷೆನ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇರಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡ 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 ವಿಷಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹಿಂದಿಯನ್ನ ಹೇರಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೊಮ್ಮಾಯಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಹಿ ಹಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸುದೀಪ್, ಹಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸುದೀಪ್. ಅದೇ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ಸುದೀಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೆನ್ತಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಭಾಷೆಯ ಒಂದು ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ.
ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್, ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್
ardently watched Bollywood films, and people, I think that's how the South Indians know Hindi so well. Today we're seeing the same kind of money and this huge industries even down south, and that's why we see that people of the north are now getting slowly sensitized to the movies of the south and languages of the south. Indrajit, a quick word on that. Do you believe that Hindi can be a one link unifying language against all others?
No, Nabila, not at all. I completely agree with my friend Sudeep on this. And even though I'm a great admirer of Ajay Devgan as an actor, but I think Ajay Devgan is a little bit ill-informed, because Hindi is not a national language. It is under the constitution. It never comes under the constitution as a national language. Of course, we speak Hindi in Bangalore, and Nabila, you being from Bangalore as well, you know about the diversity in Bangalore in itself as a cosmopolitan city. And I, for one, we believe in unity in diversity. So, of course, the BJP's idea of nationalism has clicked. But I'm sorry to say the advice what they have been given as a national language as Hindi is completely flopped in South India. Because you know about the Dravidian movement in Tamil Nadu, you know about the Gokak Chalovali in Karnataka, which Dr. Rajkumar P. Lankesh and others started in Karnataka as Kannada as a main language in Karnataka. And of course, there's Hyderabad, Gujarat, a lot of places, their language, there's a big, huge struggle and a history for the fight for their own language. And I'm proud that I'm a Kannadiga, and I make Kannada films as well as I've made Hindi films. But when somebody asks me about what's your mother tongue, what's your language, it's Kannada, because we come from Bangalore, Karnataka, South India. And India is, of course, divided because of the linguistic differences. And
But would you still consider English over Hindi? Is that your take?
See, English for some extent, of course, Bangalore is so popular because of the background of English education, and across the world, the Bangaloreans are famous for their IT, BT, and of course social media. But and I'm so proud also to be a Kannadiga, because as you know, Nabila,
so for you it's English and Kannada. Indrajit, it's English and Kannada. Hindi falls nowhere in the spectrum.
No, to be right, it's Kannada and English. It's not English and Kannada, but first comes Nam Kannada, Amil English.
Really, we are looking at English and the local language, whichever in terms of Karnataka, then it's Kannada. You have northeastern states who have their own language and yet find it easier to communicate in English versus Hindi. So this is the debate that we see raging on, but really appreciate on that. This Star Wars has really exploded post the Karnataka Tuck interview with Sudeep, who says that Hindi is no more a national language, to which Ajay Devgan stormed in, slamming him, saying Hindi indeed is our national language. Will this debate end?
All right, Indrajit
Lankesh to respond. I think it started with Bahubali, which had this crossover appeal. But let's face it, I mean, once we are back to normal times, once the big productions come out of the big superstars, they will be dubbed into South Indian languages as well, and they will make tons of money. So you can't say that crossover is now happening only from south to north. Indrajit.
Yes, Zaka, it's not about crossover. It's not just about film we are talking about here. It's not about just language we are talking about here. We are talking about the country's national language. That's what Mr. Ajay Devgan has tweeted. And before I say, I just want to request Mr. Mukesh Khanna that it's not Kannad, it's Kannada. Because a lot of stars come down to South and especially Karnataka to promote
that
the
doesn't
films.
make a difference to me. Yeah.
Of course, it has to make a difference, sir. I
has
respect
to
my
make a
language.
difference to you. What do you
I
mean
have
it
to.
doesn't
If I
make a
call your
difference?
Sir,
language,
you might feel bad about it. You might feel bad. The fact doesn't change.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know, Chalo. I don't know.
Okay,
to us.
okay. Let's not have a
I
fight here,
respect
gentlemen.
Hindi.
Come on,
I respect
we're all
ignorance.
adults. We're all grown
No,
ups
no, I
here.
respect Hindi, sir. but
Fair
at
enough.
the same time, you have to
Indrajit,
respect my language.
let's make the
because
substantive
we are
point, though,
unity
please.
in diversity.
Let's make the
By
substantive point.
pronouncing wrong
Indrajit.
does not mean I'm insulting the language.
Sir, one second. Indrajit, let's stick to the issue, please. Indrajit, let's stick to the issue. The question I asked you, please, yes.
No, Zaka, listen, they can't insult a language and
Okay.
then
I'm
they
not
say that, okay, I
insulting.
don't care.
Just by
It's not
pronouncing
about that.
wrong, I'm
Okay.
not insulting
Okay,
anybody.
Mukeshji, please yield. Indrajit, continue.
No, see,
But
see,
please
just
answer the question I asked, yes.
The first what we are debating here is, it's about Mr. Ajay Devgan's tweet. That kind of, in fact, we have to discuss about that because Hindi is not a national language. He thinks that it's a national language because it's under a constitution. Hindi is not a national language. In fact, South India, we have fought against Hindi. There's a huge history behind that. In fact, Tamil Nadu has fought against Hindi in 1937, and there's a huge movement under the Periyar movement. And of course, Kannada, Gokak Chaluvali
That was
started fighting
wrong.
against
That
the
was
Hindi
wrong.
movement. Of course it was, sir. They tried
That was
to impose
wrong.
Hindi on the education institutions in Tamil Nadu as well as in Karnataka in the 70s. So
Okay.
there's a huge movement happened in Karnataka. You please go back to your history books and read it. It's not wrong. It's right because this is history. What I'm talking about. In fact,
No, so
the
but
Gokak
Indrajit,
Chaluvali-
are we somewhere diverting the issue? Let's stick to the
No,
issue
no,
that was
because,
started off
see,
by the two film
it's
stars
not-
because
it's-
they seem to
not-
have resolved it amongst themselves and they seem to have moved on.
No,
And
it's
now the
not about-
politics is catching up on this
it's
issue.
about Zaka. It's about
Because
the
it's a
language as
political
well.
tweet.
We've been fighting from a long time. about
I
the
get
existence.
that. I get
In
that.
fact-
I
in fact-
understand
in
that.
fact,
I
you know
come
about-
I come from where you come from, so I get what
Yeah.
you're trying to say. But
Yeah,
can
yeah.
we talk about what has happened in the last 2 years about this crossover appeal of movies, and suddenly we are finding a national
Why did you
audience
do this?
lap up
You're
movies
stopping
like
my-
RRR and Pushpa and of course KGF 2 now. Why did that not happen before, and why is it happening now?
See, of course, now the South Indian film industry has found a platform, the dubbing industry. In fact, our films were before, if it was released in North India, we were not finding such a huge market because there's an acceptance in our films, whether it's KGF 1 or 2, whether it's Bahubali 1 or 2, whether it's RRR or Pushpa, they've all collected well because they were good films. And in fact, they've collected huge amounts, and there's a huge market in South India. In fact, the South films as well, they get dubbed in South Indian languages, but they're not finding it that kind of a success as much as the South Indian films are finding it in Hindi. In
Okay.
fact, that's the whole reason. And somewhere down the line, of course, there are huge hits like Dangal, and there are huge hits. I don't deny that. But somewhere down the line, I feel as a journalist and an actor, is there a little bit of an insecurity here? In fact, because of the tweet what Ajay Devgan has done. Yeah, the insecurity is wide and clear because the South Indian film industry is doing so well right now. They're collecting around 500 to 700 crores, and now it's the time of the Bollywood to give their hits right now.
Okay.
So I feel
all right.
that
No.
tweet, that's what
Like I
we are
said,
discussing about.
one thing that happened in the last 2 years because of the pandemic is the big A-lister Bollywood stars, the Shah Rukhs, the Salmans, the Amirs. They've not had a big hit in the last 2 years. Some would attribute it to the lockdown. Some would attribute it to the fact that theaters were shut and so on. And also, they haven't had big releases. In fact, Salman had one release, I think, in the last 2 years, which did not do particularly well.
Indrajit Lankesh live with us as well. Indrajit, do you think this is is this a motivated conspiracy that we're looking at, or do you think that cinema indeed is a battleground now in terms of which language can have more firepower?
See, Bhupender, on the other hand, I feel I'm in the minority in this panel because I kind of disagree, not relatively, not completely, but relatively. See, of course, cinema is beyond languages. As you said, cinema is beyond languages. And as you are seeing Malayalam cinema in Hindi, I appreciate it. But of course, if you can see cinema, Korean cinema with subtitles, also we have to appreciate it. Language is beyond barriers. But I feel today, I disagree to say that Hindi is the biggest movie industry, because today South Indian film industry is collecting bigger amount, bigger box office than any of the Hindi cinema industry. In fact, Pushpa, Bahubali, RRR, and KGF 1 and 2 has collected huge amount of money. Before, there was no platform kind of OTT to promote the South Indian films. But respecting Ajay Devgan, respecting Hindi, of course, the Hindi industry and the Hindi speaking people have to respect the South Indian language as well. Because there are, in fact, linguistic differences, linguistic cultures. It's been divided into linguistic languages. So, whenever you have tried to kind of put Hindi into the South industry or South kind of states, you always kind of revolted. People have revolted because they have their own language like Tamil. There's a huge kind of revolt happened through Periyar
No, but
movement.
you look at what
Then
Khushbu
there
Sundar
was-
says. But Indrajit, that's the
there
point I
was
was
a
asking
fight for
Khushbu.
Gokak-
But that's the
Gokak,
point I was asking Khushbu when
movement in
she says that
Karnataka.
all this is all politically motivated. So I'm trying to understand.
Why should you? Why
DMK,
should you, my
DMK may
question
make
is,
a Dravidian
Why
argument.
should you have a linked language as Hindi itself? Why can't you think about a Tamil language as linked language? Or why should you have a linked language when there is a South industry who's got huge kind of culture, and they're speaking in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and Konkani, and of course other languages.
Anup
Why
bhai,
should you?
अनूप जी क्या है संभव है? अनूप जी, इज दिस पॉसिबल? व्हाट इज बीइंग स्टेटेड बाय इंद्रजीत लंकेश कि हम हिंदी को क्यों लिंक लैंग्वेज के स्वरूप में देखें? आप म्यूटेड हैं अनूप भाई, म्यूटेड है, आप जस्ट अनम्यूट कर लीजिए अपना जी।
मैं आपको बताता हूं, हर प्रदेश में जो लैंग्वेज है बहुत अच्छी है, हमको भी सीखनी चाहिए तमिल। हम तो सारी भाषाओं में गाते हैं, तो हमें भी वो लैंग्वेज आनी चाहिए। कितनी खुशी की बात है अगर कोई कहे कि ये हमको 10 लैंग्वेज बोलनी आती है, लेकिन हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि हमें 10 बोलनी आती है। 3-4 बोलते हैं, बाकी लैंग्वेज में हम गाते हैं, उसको हिंदी में लिख लेते हैं, इंग्लिश में लिख लेते हैं और गाते हैं। ये तो एक विद्वता की बात है। मैं समझता हूं कि वो मनुष्य विद्वान है जो ज्यादा से ज्यादा लैंग्वेजेस बोलता हो, बहुत खुशी की बात है। लेकिन एक भाषा तो हर जगह बोलनी पड़ेगी। एक तो ऐसी भाषा
वही तो लिंक लैंग्वेज हो, वो तमिल हो सकती है क्या? अच्छा देखिए, इंद्रजीत
नहीं।
लंकेश का जो कहना है कि तमिल को क्यों ना सोचा जाए।
जब से देश बना है, जब से हमारा देश बना है, उसके पहले से हिंदी भाषा ही तो हर तरफ है। उसके बाद सबकी प्रांतीय भाषा भी बहुत पनपी है। प्रांतीय भाषा कितनी आगे बढ़ी है, उसमें कितने लिटरेचर है, कितनी उसमें पोइट्री है। हम उसका बड़ा मजा लेते हैं। हम टैगोर को गाते हैं, हम नजरुल को गाते हैं, हम विद्यापति को गाते हैं, सबको गाते हैं। लेकिन हमारी जो हिंदी भाषा है, हिंदुस्तान नाम क्यों है हिंदुस्तान? इसमें कहीं आपको सुनाई पड़ता है हिंद, हिंदू, हिंदी सुनाई पड़ता है कहीं? इसका मतलब है कि इस देश में हमारे यहाँ हिंदी ही सूत्रधार भाषा है, मेन भाषा है। लेकिन हमें दूसरी भाषा आनी चाहिए,
आनी
हमें
चाहिए,
सीखनी
सीखनी चाहिए। बहुत अच्छी
बहुत
बात,
अच्छी
आप
बात
सही कह रहे हैं, आप सही कह रहे हैं।
बहुत खूबसूरत बात
इंद्रजीत,
है।
इंद्रजीत,
हमको
does it
बंगाली
satisfy you, Indrajit? Does it convince you why you cannot have what Anup Jalota says?
Actually,
Indrajit, is that look at the word Hindustan. Hindustan, in that word Hindustan itself, there is tonality of Hind, and this is being stated by a celebrated singer like Anup Jalota.
See, Hindustan might be for Hindu. That's how the BJP has succeeded in giving a nationalistic viewpoint. Wherein I feel proud to be a Hindu, I feel proud to be an Indian. But when it comes to a national language, I think whenever you have tried to kind of bring in a Hindi language into the South, especially Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka, you're miserably lost. When you take a political angle to it, you're miserably lost. In Tamil Nadu, if you know the history, Bhupender, when they tried to bring in Hindi into the educational system of Tamil Nadu, they miserably lost. The Congress tried to bring it, and they miserably lost there. And whenever, even in Karnataka, if you know about the history about the Gokak movement, started by Dr. Rajkumar, who was one of the most popular actors, in fact, respected across borders, he, in fact, came down to the streets with a lot of literateurs, writers, and protested that Hindi cannot be a language. Kannada is our language.
Indrajit, do you want to refine your position now, Indrajit, after listening to two such lovely compositions, one in Hindi and one in Bengali? और अगर मैं अनूप जी को बोलूंगा तो शायद वो तमिल में भी गा देंगे. But
Amazing singing and amazing songs. But I wish you would have listened to some Kannada and Tamil songs as well. There are beautiful melodious songs in Tamil and
Excuse
Kannada
me,
as well. But
Mr. Indrajit, I start my day with Ilayaraja. I start my day with Ilayaraja and I end with Ilayaraja. So you don't speak about Tamil language to me.
They all come from South.
I'm ferociously protective about my Tamil language and music.
And lot of musicians come from the South who are amazing singers. And of course, Anupji sang very well. But I would like to end with a very nice note of Bhupendra. I would like to say
Please.
that entertainment and politics, you can't mix it. But language and politics, of course, there is that's
Is
what is happening
intrinsically
because
linked.
of languages. Because of languages, it was divided into states. Linguistic languages, they was divided into different states. So that's where the politics came in. And today, I would like to say, if you kind of impose a language on a state which has already got Hindi on a state, which has already got their own history of languages like Kannada, Tamil, and Telugu, that will be most difficult. And of course, in the history we have seen that they have failed miserably.
Okay.
In fact, the political parties have failed miserably when they try to impose a language. Today, see, we are talking in English. Why don't you want to talk in Hindi? English
Okay.
can be a link
Let me just
but as I
We
said
did
before,
speak in Hindi.
Yeah. We're speaking in Hindi. We're speaking in English. I can speak in
Hindi में
Urdu.
तो हम बात ही कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
If I start in Kannada, you should talk Kushbu ma'am, because you have acted in Kannada movies as well. So you can talk in Kannada as well in Tamil.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
I wish
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಂದ್ರಜಿತ್ ಅವರೇ.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ. ಆದ್ರೆ
ಹೌದು ಗೊತ್ತು, ಕನ್ನಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತು, but nobody will understand. Nobody will understand. We are on a national television. ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ.
So therefore the crux on national television. अभी देखिए अभी see on national television, Indrajit Lankesh wants to speak in Kannada. You want to speak in Tamil. I come from UP. Therefore, isn't it clear, Khushbu, then that English is the only link language maybe in this country? Should we live with that then?
No, why do we follow all the British when we have a beautiful language called Hindi with us, which is there in the Davangere, and why would we speak to English? Don't we take pride learning Hindi?
Anup ji.
Don't we take pride learning our official language Hindi, which we have been speaking for thousands of years?
जब इतनी अलग अलग भाषाओं में जब चर्चा हो रही हो, तो मान लीजिए अगर मैं बहुत शुद्ध हिंदी का प्रयोग करने लगूं तो शायद इंद्रजीत नहीं समझ पाएंगे. अगर इंद्रजीत जी कन्नड़ा में बोलने लगे तो शायद मैं नहीं समझ पाऊंगा. तो क्या
हमने तो आसान कर दिया ना, हम तो टंग्लिश बात करते हैं.
तो इसीलिए
हम तो ये कहते हैं कि हम तो ये कहते हैं कि आप सिर्फ हिंदी बोलो.
And Indrajit Lankesh, I want to ask you, what's wrong with that interpretation? Madhu says it so beautifully. She says it was a Tamil film when she appeared in Roja, but it's only after it was dubbed that it really went across to the masses and people saw it. Where is the problem?
See, first of all, Ajay Devgan is an amazing actor. He's a national awardee and he's good in his craft. But when it comes to politics, when it comes to language, he's ignorant, as Chetan said, because Hindi is not at all a national language. In our constitution, it's not there that the Hindi is not mentioned as our Rashtriya Bhasha, not our language at all. And as Madhu said, Roja is an amazing film. Roja is an incredible film, but it was dubbed in Hindi during the 80s or 90s, I think. But now the scenario is completely changed. Now, the Dravidian languages, what it was, they didn't have a stage before, to project their talent, their art, their creativity. Now, the OTT is a big platform where we can show our talent and language and creativity. Take the example of Bahubali. Take the example of RRR. Take the example of KGF, Pushpa. They're all big hits today because of the borders being connected, the languages being connected through the OTT platform and the internet. So today is a different scenario wherein Hindi was dominating for a long time. And as Siddiqui is told, that Bollywood should be changed into Hindi films. Yeah, definitely I agree. He should change it into Hindi films. But whereas me coming from Karnataka and Bangalore, we respect our language. In fact, someone coming from Tamil Nadu, he respects his language, Tamil Nadu. And we have all come to the streets protesting against the imposition of Hindi into our state, but not encouraging Kannada. In fact, in 1937, the Periyar movement started. You should know about the history, wherein Hindi was kind of imposed into the schools of Tamil Nadu. Periyar movement started during that time, and against the Hindi language, they succeeded.
My dear
And
friend, nobody is wanting to, impose anything.
Of course,
If
as you
you
said,
say,
you
say
yourself-
Kannada is a beautiful
you
language,
yourself-
yes,
you
we believe
yourself-
you.
you
There
yourself-
is no dispute in
No,
that.
my dear
There
friend,
is
we
no
don't
dispute
accept-
that Kannada
my
is
dear
beautiful,
friend, we don't
Tamil is
accept-
beautiful,
we don't
Malayalam is
accept
beautiful,
Hindi as a national
but so
language.
is
Why
Hindi.
can't you?
Why
For example,
such
for example,
antipathy
for
towards
example,
Hindi?
for
I don't know.
example, Navika, my dear friend Navika, 1 minute. Ajay Devgan tweeted in Hindi, whereas Sudeep gently tweeted in English back. Just imagine if he had tweeted in Kannada. Would Ajay Devgan would have understood the tweet? No. Why can't Ajay Devgan learn Kannada to understand our language? So respect our language. We respect Hindi. We respect the other languages.
What
121
Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi,
India.
Dr.
But why can't
Sudhanshu
we
Trivedi,
respect Kannada and learn Kannada?
if
Why should we learn
Hindi,
Hindi?
if you
Why
just
should
do a
we-
population
why should we
census,
Indianness?
probably
Why
Hindi is
can't-
understood by more people in this country than these individual languages in the south or any other part, or Gujarati, or maybe some of the northeastern languages, or Bengali. They have limitations because they are understood in one state. Do you think making Hindi a link language has something to do with dishonoring other languages, or do you think this vociferous response that's coming even from within the BJP is because just identity and politics has got linked with the language?
I would like to start with Mr. Lankesh one sentence. Why don't you try to learn Kannada? Yes, sir, I expect, but I would like to put forth that other than Karnataka, nowhere BJP remained in power. Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam put forth in front of the country that how many students were going in their regional languages school 75 years back and what is the percentage today. You will have a clear picture what will happen after 75 years. All is sacrificed at the expense of English. Even in the Andhra, they have officially adopted English and done away with the Telugu in the elementary schools. And they are doing nothing and they are very much happy. And as far as Mr. Chetan is concerned, I would like to ask, among languages of Kannada, he has also said Urdu. Bhai, Urdu ki script Arabic hai. Word Farsi ke hai. And the grammar is of Hindi. I am unable to understand from where the Urdu has emerged. And last thing, it's not the issue of India, Navika. If you ask about in the entire world, after Hollywood, which is the biggest film industry, it is Bollywood. It is the Hindi film industry. We are ahead of Chinese. We are ahead of Koreans. We are ahead of Japanese. And that's why, look at the grand movie, Bahubali. अरे बाहुबली अगर सिर्फ तेलुगु में बनी होती और बाहुबली हिंदी में है, look at the level of business, look at the level. और मैं ये भी कहना चाहता हूं, हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के legendary actors mostly non Hindi speaking state से हुए, from Hema Malini ji to Sridevi to Madhuri Dixit, all were from the non Hindi speaking state. And lastly, I would like to say, because I belong a political party, when in Constituent Assembly, Hindi should be the national language of India, किसने कहा? स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती गुजराती, महात्मा गांधी गुजराती, सरदार पटेल गुजराती, कन्हैया लाल माणिक लाल मुंशी मराठी, और श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी बंगाली, एम गोपाल स्वामी अयंगर तमिल. But unfortunately, it was the Nehru who created all the problem, who are from the Hindi speaking state. Otherwise, we respect everybody. भाई एक बात पूछना चाहता हूं, आपने एक बात कही, मुझे तो लगता है कि हिंदी से अच्छे शब्द हिंदी के दूसरी भाषाओं में है. वितंडावाद is a word used in Telugu and Tamil. It is a very good Hindi. We say in Hindi sagai ya roka. In Tamil it is said nishchitartham samaro. It is a very good Hindi. In Hindi we said jaldi jaldi. In Kannada it is said vega vega. It's a very good Hindi. We say ladka ladki. In Kannada it is said balak balika. It is a very
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತದ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪದದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಯೋದು, ಹೇ ಮದ್ರಾಸಿ ಹೇ ಅಂತ. that it's not Kannada, it's Kannada. And especially Karnataka to promote
That doesn't
the
make a
films.
difference to me. Yeah.
Of course it has to make a difference, sir.
Sir, you might feel bad about it. Fact doesn't change.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
I wish
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಂದ್ರಜಿತ್ ಅವರೇ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಕನ್ನಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತು.